In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to link GTA account from PlayStation 4 to PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are trying to transfer your character that you initially created on a PlayStation 4 to the next-gen console PlayStation 5, the process is very straightforward. In fact, as soon as you open GTA Online or GTA 5 on the PlayStation 5, the option to transfer or migrate should appear automatically. If it doesn't, or if you just want to make sure that it is going to appear, then you can follow the steps in this video to ensure that everything works smoothly. All that you have to do is visit the socialclub.rockstargames.com website. So look for Social Club Rockstar on Google and access this page. Sign into the respective GTA account that you are using. Once you are properly signed in, click on your icon, go over to Account, and under the Account option drop-down menu, go over to Settings. In here, switch over to Linked Accounts and you will find PlayStation Network. As you might expect, all that you have to do here is click the option to link the account. Once you establish a link between the GTA account that you use to play on the PlayStation 4 with the PlayStation Network account that you use, once you go over to the PlayStation 5 and you sign into the same PlayStation Network account, upon opening GTA, the character from the PlayStation 4 profile will be detected and you will be able to initiate the migration. In fact, it should be an automatic pop-up as soon as you open the game, and by doing this link, you will be making sure that the link is established and that the migration option will appear. You can also do the same for GTA on Xbox. You can link your Google account, link your Twitch account and Amazon account for other promotions and other related stuff to GTA, but as it stands today, to migrate your character and link your GTA account from PlayStation 4 to PlayStation 5, this is what you have to do. I hope I was able to help you on how to link GTA account from PlayStation 4 to PlayStation 5. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.